June Medrano is known for being a talented stuntman who worked in the film industry for many years. Before he became famous for his stunts, he served as a barangay tanod, which is a community safety officer in the Philippines. This role involved helping to keep his neighborhood safe and assisting with community events. His dedication to his job showed that he cared about the people around him and wanted to make a positive impact. Chun's journey into the world of stunts began thanks to his friend Ernie David. Ernie saw Chun's potential and encouraged him to try out for stunt work in movies. With Ernie's support, June was able to break into the stuntman scene and start a new chapter in his life. This friendship was important because it opened doors for June and helped him discover a new passion for performing dangerous and exciting stunts on screen. From 1980 to 1996, June Medrano worked on 21 movies, showcasing his skills as a stuntman. His hard work and talent allowed him to take on many thrilling roles, where he performed stunts that amazed audiences. Chun's experience in both community service and the film industry shows how different paths can lead to success and fulfillment. His story inspires others to follow their dreams and take chances, just like he did.
Hindi na kailangan yun. Basta kami, sumasama kami sa kilusan ng mga...
Puweltahan kita! Tudurugin ko naman mo!
Baka nangangarap ka, Kiko. Saan lupa-lupa tayo magkikita? Eh, hindi ka nalalabas dito ng buhay.
Sa ilalim ng hukay, ulol! Kagyata ang langit! Pare, nasa sila! Nabatak mo!
O ano? Nandyan ba?
Oo, nasa loob. May mga kainuman.
Di ba ikaw yung hepe ng Santa Marcela? Naligaw ka yata. Dumayo ka pa rito na nag-iisip. Oo nga eh.
Halughugin